Today we'll be talking to Arshan, who's currently studying entrepreneurship at the University of British Columbia. So Arshan, could you tell us more about UBC?
Uh, yeah, so UBC is, I mean, it was just came on the rankings. It was, I think, 35th best in the world or something in some recent ranking. So that's a moment to be proud of. So it's a lovely university. It's a huge university. The campus size has around 40, 50,000 people on just the Vancouver campus by itself. And if you've ever been to Vancouver and UBC, it's like a separate area, only like a separate small town by itself. Yeah, it's lovely. There's a lot of diversity in its courses and its faculties, and so I'm currently at the Sauder School of Business. And like you said, yeah, I'm doing my entrepreneurship, and yeah, I'm enjoying the program. I'm enjoying the people, and they have some lovely resources there. It's a lovely campus. You should see it. It's a lovely campus, beautiful campus.
Yeah, I've seen the photos. So what courses have you been taking at the Sauder School of Business?
So now what we do is there are two types. We have to take a certain specific required number of courses to graduate, which are business related, degree related, and there are certain non-commerce electives that we have to take as a requirement. So that can be anything. So I've taken many different types. I've taken creative writing. I've taken theater acting. I've taken visual arts, where you learn about how to use different softwares to create different things like movies, videos, stuff like that, just to have a little bit of extra hard skills for the future. But yeah, with regards to my major, so I'm doing 5, 6 major related courses in entrepreneurship, entrepreneurial finance, innovation and sustainability, and of course, then we had economics, and you have basics with accounting in the second year. So you do a few basic courses in the first 2 years, and then you major in the third and fourth year. That's how it works at least at business at UBC. Yeah.
Great. So what subjects is UBC known for?
Um, I would say they are known for the faculty more than just the specific subjects, because subjects are a lot and diverse. But they have some very interesting courses, and especially in Sauder at the business school. Finance is very popular, especially the CPA program, even the bachelor's with a major in finance. It's a very popular option. Marketing is also very, very popular. But yeah, I mean, in terms of in general, what UBC is popular for, I mean, that's a kind of a it's a little vague because I'm not sure. I just know about business, and I have a few friends in engineering, and I know it's a difficult program. They have a lot more courses in a semester compared to most people, but they are good for their business school. I think I would say the Sauder School of Business is one of the best, if not the best, in Canada. So I think that's what they are popular for, from the business side at least.
So what advice would you give to students who are considering applying to UBC and the business school?
I would say go ahead, definitely. It's a brilliant opportunity. Not just the school itself, but you get to experience a beautiful city. I mean, Vancouver is a beautiful, beautiful city, one of the world's most livable cities. I think second or third, if I when I last checked a couple of years ago, in terms of air quality, in terms of people, in terms of safety. And as a university, I think it's a beautiful campus. And like I said, teaching is good, and they truly they treat you like an adult. It's not like school where you feel a lot of that difference in authority and you have to do XYZ. They treat you equally, and they make you feel like you're there to learn, to genuinely grow, because you're paying lots and lots of money. So I think it's a good thing to have. Also, the connections you'll make there. They also have a co-op program, which is a work experience program at the Sauder School of Business, and of course other faculties. That's a good way of networking and having chances to, because they have, the better the business school, the better the tie-ups with these big companies, right, for jobs and stuff. So let's say if you're in finance, they'll have stuff in Deloitte, KPMG, and all these and big companies. So I think the connections you'll make with the people, the counselors are also very good, very helpful, and students are very nice, and you're gonna be with brilliant minds around you. That's one more thing to do. Maybe let's say in your school, if you are the smartest in your class, there you're just one more out of hundreds and hundreds of other people. So that is good. It keeps you competitive, and it's beyond studying. It teaches you how to learn, how to grow, how to manage your time, rather than just the specific content, because content you learn and sometimes forget, but what stays with you are those skills on how to manage your time and how to be diligent with your work and focused, because it gets difficult, especially in certain courses in finance and accounting. If you're not sound with numbers, it can be difficult. So yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for your insights and your time, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, Sean.